This is lift number 1.
Hello, this is lift number 1.
It's not
Downstairs as usual, it's...
He'll be there on the way back. This is the lift. My turn to click 0. I actually like the metal lifts.
Here it is.
Here's lift number 1.
Oh.
But this time, customers looked into it.
Do we have to get out?
Refuse to go in the lifts. Oh,
There we go, doors are opened.
your turn. We don't get out first time. It still says G on it. That lift done. Yeah.
It worked.
That's it.
That's it, going in being killed.
This is lift number 1. This lift. Thank you,
We can just get in it, 'cause it's there.
Is it open?
Mine's the click G.
Re-leveled! It re-leveled as it got in. Into the big bag.
Huh?
This is package.
We're nearly there.
We're used to that.
Can we go? Check before you get on.
Check before we click.
Yeah, you can click it.
It won't do it, sweet. It's not scary, it's lift number 2.
Huh?
That lifted a bump when we ran it. It re-leveled this lift, it re...
I thought I heard a bang sound. I thought I heard. Unusual for a B&Q lift to do that. And is the M&S one going to re-level?
No, it's those ones are generic, I think.
Right, there we go. Someone wants to take her there. When? Go. Go.
No, it's your turn.
Ah.
I thought it was lift number 1.
Okay. It's going up.
It's going up.
I hope it doesn't bump like the other one.
No, it won't. It's not there, so it's not scary anyway.
Was it a big bump or not?
Yeah,
Right, let's get in there.
it's not broken.
Just always. Yours has click G.
It did a little bump. It's stiff.
Yeah.
This one did a little bump. Much smoother. I don't mind this using it.
So you might as well go on the big gap.
Yeah, okay.
So it might just click you, G.
Yeah, if there's nobody waiting, yes.
I'll make sure there's nobody waiting. No. All good?
Yep. So click it. Click the button to go on. There we go. That works. Very low pitch. I reckon if number 6 wouldn't have worked, I reckon that was lower pitch than if number 6.
Is it going to hang? No.
Sensor is dying. Sniffed.
Yeah, but the lift still works.
It's lift number 2.
This is lift number 2.
Yes,
And the sun's trying to come out.
Yes, did it.
Yep. You're calling it in.
Out of order or not?
No, it wouldn't be.
It goes hard. It goes. Mine just click G. No, this one didn't do anything. Only being cute. Don't have to tell me he's so sorry. It goes up. Yes. Smooth.
Your turn to EJ.
Now.
Yeah.
Oh God, there's this. Oh no. Where's this number 3? Not there.
Let's exit the elevator.
Exit all that stuff.
Oh, they want to use it.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. It won't close on them.
With Jackson, hey, that annoys me. Bye.
Bye.
Watch him go down. Where's with Jackson if you who's don't want to watch him go down? See if it stops. That means it won't be there on the way back.
Well, it might be. Depends if someone else uses it. It's come up.
There we go.
There we go, it's downstairs. It's gonna make
And
a
this is
loud
lift
noise.
number 3. Is it going to bang this?
This machine's not open.
Is it my turn? Is it my turn to call it in?
Yeah.
There's no one on it. Your turn to cook, Jay.
Oh God. It's lost the noise.
Huh?
Just lifting is good too.
No chime anymore. Is it my cook you, Jay?
Yeah. No, it won't bang.
Now?
Yeah. Level. No. Had the chime back when we used it. It didn't have it when it first went up. So far this one will be there on the way back.
I guess we still have to go on the M&S lift. Hello, this is lift number 4. Is it your turn?
Yeah.
Do it now. It
Is
might
it?
not go up straight away because someone's used it. It might not go up. No, it is going up. Someone's used it.
That one does accept it. That one does. That's because Oakland never did.
They're older lifts, though. There we go.
That's a hard
My
stop.
turn to pick 0.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Level 0.
Staying on this time.
Doors opening.
Right. Your turn to click 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Oh. Oh my god, it's shaking.
Level 1. Doors opening.
Bit shaky.
It's alright, no?
Please mind the doors. Doors.
Yeah, as long as it
Staying on lift number
works.
6, so we go back up here unless someone needs to use it. Hello, is lift number 5? Let them get out before you call it.
I'll call it now. 6.
That's it.
There's no point waiting on these ones.
That's a busy.
I heard the doors close. Anyone on it?
No. They don't have to hangman this one this week.
It always takes ages. Might just click.
No, you. My turn.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Always battles.
Going down.
Here and now.
Level 0.
Don't have to get out.
Doors opening.
Your turn.
Yeah, wait for the doors to open.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level 1. Doors opening.
Always takes a while, it's hard.
Please mind the doors.
It was staying on. Getting out. 5 at 2.
They want to go on it?
Sit.
Oh, someone's going down. Hello, is this lift number 6?
The one we used to have trouble with, that's...
We don't have trouble with this one. Your terms, I did 5.
Someone hangman 2. No. My turn to click 0. It'll be my turn when we go back up. Always does that. Steamed up the doors, it's. Might click U G this time. And it'll be mine to click G on when we go back down. They don't have to get out. So we're calling it in again the second time this time. You have to get out at UG. No. I tend to click G again, mate.
Yeah. It's reverse order now.
Call it in again from G on it. We're going to be on the lift with anyone in M and S. Our senses are G. lift. My turn to call it in. Now.
Yeah. Anyone want to get on it?
We'll just click on. Security. Gee. Where?
By the lift.
Was it?
Yeah.
Then it's that usual friend. Oh, and it was
There we go.
that usual security guard, is it, Jane?
Yeah.
So we did see ones. Number 5
Yeah,
next.
someone's tricky. So there you go. On that one.
Jane.
This is lift number 4.
Was gonna be it. Hello, this is lift number 5. I'll call it in case they don't know.
Yeah, someone's getting on.
In case they don't know what
And
buttons.
then
A lady.
She's got in. She's got in.
A lady.
what? Just one person or?
I clicked it for them.
Oh,
That's
door's
sure I'm not
shut.
stuck.
Here it comes.
Is it going up or not?
Yeah. One lady. I called it in. That's because it was before she went up. So it
There we
wasn't-
go.
There you go. Let's go in.
0.
Yeah, 0. You.
Please mind the door. Doors closing.
And you call it in from G. It's very
Going
nice.
down.
It's, yeah, I think it's from that lady it just took. So M&S will be before lift number 3 then.
Level 0.
We get out anyway, second time we... If someone wants to... Your turn to call it in from G.
Please mind the door.
My turn to call it in
Doors
too.
closing.
Now... It's there, it's...
Going up.
There you go.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level 1. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors
19 on
closing.
3 and 8 would have been it's there on the way up. Different security guard.
It's number 4. This has been our Control G today.
Oh, 3's not there now. So we have to see this.
Who says we're supposed to call it in?
Your turn.
Again. No one on it.
We'll just...
So far.
Your turn to
Going
hit
0.
down. Doors closing.
Oh, that lost it, a bit of its voice.
Going down. Level 0. Doors opening.
Get
I
call it
don't
in.
know if they have to use it because we're getting out any.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
I call it in again.
Going up.
My turn to click 1. Yeah.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
And then it's M&S after.
Level 1. Doors opening. the doors. Doors closing.
We want to go down, don't we? I'll call it. We want to go down.
Yeah.
Oh, we've
This
got
one.
this one.
Oh, that's non-see-through.
Oh no, it's gone straight past us. It's gone.
Gone upstairs.
We might be this one we get.
Yes, that's fine. Yeah, yeah. When I'm home and sort this, that'll be from the other one.
Oh no, maybe not.
One.
It will be one of them. It will. Oh yeah, this one.
Upper ground. Here it is.
Anyone on it?
No.
Carl, you click LG.
Doors closing.
This lift's fast.
Oh,
I hate the noise in this one.
Lower ground.
Oh, there we
here
are.
we are.
Here's the lift back up this rattle. It's lost the sense of it. It's lost. It's gonna stop.
Get lift number one. Only enough.
There you go.
No, one over the one it's and why are they sending this?
Oh, he might be sending this one. Oh, it's this one again.
That one was there.
Does this sometimes? So it might just click EJ.
Yeah.
Doors
I thought it wouldn't work. I thought it.
That's let's go on the other one. Or number 4.
Or the shopping centre lift, if not.
Then it stopped.
upper ground.
There we go.
There we go.
Didn't stop, did it?
We nearly got stuck.
This one, we nearly got stuck.
That's how it goes.
Nearly got stuck. Oh, if they want to use it. Hello, this is lift number 3.
Hello, this is lift number 3. It's there, Mum.
So you can call it now. Now.
Yeah, it's done it. It did do it. It did.
God, that was a hard start.
Calling it in again from G. It's your turn.
That did a very hard start.
Something not gonna get stuck.
No. Is it my turn?
Turn. It's there. Accepted it.
It did bump when we went in that one. It did.
Slab. It's hard to put it if I want to be curing gas. Nah, enough.
Hello, this is lift number 2.
Number 2 again. Your turn to calling it in from G. Your
Might as well go in the lift now. God, this is a shame. Ooh, that struggle. Your tur's kick, Jimmy.
What was that?
Banged.
No, that was a car door. It's gonna be it slammed. I'm afraid he's not.
My turn to click you, G.
My turn to call it in.
Oh. Now?
No. It bumped. This way.
Let's exit again. Six.
It won't do it.
And this is lift number 1 in B.
It's that. Yeah, it did it again. Only did it. I've got a funny suspicion we're going to have to get out.
Did anyone even get on the lift?
No.
Your turn to click you, G.
I thought we were going to have to get out, but we didn't. Want to listen to it? Be silent for that. Here we go.
There we go.
It bumped again, this lift.
So who's supposed to coin this one?
Your turn. Oh, someone's just used it. Someone's just used it, that's why.
Ain't working.
No, doors are open. I heard the sensors. Oh, one end of this one's broken.
Try now.
Yeah. No one's clicked it.
Oh, there we go.
It was someone
Actually, didn't accept it being Q.
No, it doesn't. Not when the door's open. That's when it's going up. It does. Come all the way from me.
Your turn to click G.
It's changed back to not pitch. So you just about missed out something here. Your turn to click EG. It's a normal pitch this time round. Think you can.
There we go. Hello, is this lift number what? On.
It's there, like an ear.
Who's supposed to call it in? Is it your turn?
Yeah. Not broken this time, it's there. What is it? Is this a seafood? Look. Yeah. Do you feel stuck in there? Again,
Well, that alarm is.
as a card now. Your turn to call it in. I just click one. This week it wasn't broken, this week